Let's make a Christmas fake bake. Today I'll show you how to create a DIY faux whipped cream mug topper, the perfect holiday craft. Today's video is part of the 12 Days of Christmas hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting in Mimi's World. I'm going to be making a hot cocoa mug topper. So first I took a little wood round and a styrofoam cup, and I'm going to be adding hot glue to part of the styrofoam cup. You can see where I've cut it, and I'm going to be stuffing the styrofoam cup with a couple of paper towels. This will give me a little bit more surface space when I add glue and add this piece to the wood round. Now I'm taking some of Dollar Tree's spackle. You can use any spackle you have. This is just what I had on hand. It is a little bit dried up, but I'm going to be adding a little bit of cream-colored paint to moisten it a little bit and also give it a little bit more of a vanilla color. I'm also going to be adding in some Mod Podge. It doesn't really matter which one. This is the gloss, but you can't really tell once it's all said and done. This will just help hold everything together and again make that faux whipped cream a little more creamy. Some people use piping bags for this, and it is much prettier when you do that. I just wasn't in the mood to dig mine out, so I'm just smearing it on like I would icing. Once I have it like I want it, I'm going to be using some of these little sprinkles that I got from Hobby Lobby and this little gingerbread from Dollar Tree. I just glued that little gingerbread onto half of a straw that I also got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to also hot glue a toothpick inside the straw so that I can stick that down into the styrofoam cup so that it will stay in place. Before I add the straw, I decided to add some of these little green and red sprinkles along with the ones from Hobby Lobby. The green and red sprinkles are actually made out of polymer clay, so you can also buy them online. I'm using tweezers to place the sprinkles because the spackle isn't sticky or anything, so you kind of have to put them in place and kind of push them down into the whipped cream. Once I have enough sprinkles, I'll go ahead and add my straw. The straw is in place. I'm going to add some little faux nuts. This is from some sort of pet bedding. I think it's for hamsters or something, but it looks just like real chopped up nuts. This will need to sit overnight to dry. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this Christmas fake bake inspires your own do-it-yourself holiday crafting. If you're looking for more inspiration, don't forget to check out that playlist in the description box below, or you can check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.